How are you? Today we'll solve this question. In this video, find the value of x if 7 power x plus 7 power x plus 7 power x equals 63 power x. We want to find the value of x. First, we have 7 power x repeated 3 times. Then we can write 7 power x product by 3 because 7 here was repeated 3 times. So we can write 3 product by 7 power x. It will be equivalent to 63 power x. 63 equivalent to 7 times 9. We know 7 times 9 equal 63 all power x, and then you can distribute the power here. Write 3 product by 7 power x. Okay, 7 power x product by 9 power x. Okay, you can simplify by divided by 7 power x. 7 power x divided 7 power x 1, then 3 will be equal 9 power x. 9 equivalent to 3 power 2, then you can write 3 equal to 3 power 2. 2 times x equal to x. Look at bases are equivalent, then 2 powers are equal. Then 2x here equivalent to 1. You can find the value of x equal 1 over 2. Then the value of x here equal half. Shows his answer here half. If 5 power square root of a plus b equivalent to square root of 125, and also this relation 5 power square root of a minus b equivalent to square root of 125, we want to find the value of a and b. First step, we have the two answers are equivalent. Then the left hand side equivalent to left hand side, 0 will be equivalent. Okay, so you can write this relation here. Okay, write the reverse relation, 5 power square root of a minus b equivalent to 5 power square root of a minus b. Because answers here were equivalent, we have 125 under square root. Two bases are equivalent, then the two powers are equal. Then square root of a minus b equivalent to square root of a minus b. Or sorry, this a plus b. Okay, a plus b equivalent square root of a plus b. If you cancel the power 2 here and here to find the answer, then a plus b equivalent to a minus b. You can cancel a by a, then twice b equivalent to 0, then the value of b here equals 0. We have the value of b equals 0, then we can put the value here up 5 power square root of a plus b, b was 0, equivalent to square root of 125. 125 equals square root of 125 5 power 3. It will be 5 power 3 or power half. The result will be 5 power 3 over 2. Comparing between two bases, we have 5 power square root of a equivalent to 5 power 3 over 2. Then powers are equivalent, then root a equivalent to 3 over 2. So you can find the value of a by power left hand side, right hand side. Put here power 2 to cancel the power, and here also power 2. The result will be 9 over 4. Then you have the value of a 9 over 4, and value of b here was 9 0. Okay. Next question. We can find the answer here between two bases are equivalent by the rule. If we have two bases are equivalent and we want to divide it, the result will be the difference in the powers. We need to subtract by 10. The result will be 2 power 10. It's rules. If you divided two numbers and the same are equivalent, you can find the difference between two powers here. 20 minus 10 equal 10. Is answer 2 power 10. Next question, if 3 power x plus 3 power x over 3 power x minus 3 power x equal 2, you will find the value of x. We can find the answer here by simplest. You can product the product of 3 is equal product of me about this question. If 3 power x plus 3 power negative x over 3 power x subtracted by 3 power negative x equals 2, find the value of x. We can simplify the product. The product of streams equal product of means, right? 2 product by 3 power x, right? 2. Right, 2 product by, okay, 2 product by 3 power x subtract by 3 power negative x equivalent to 3 power x plus 3 power negative x. distributive properties, write 2 product by 3 power x subtract by 2 product by 3 power negative x is equivalent to 3 power x plus 3 power negative x. You can move here to find the answer, and this also moved here. And then 2 times 3 power x subtract by 3 power x will be equivalent to 3 power negative x plus 2 product by 3 power negative x. You can find the answer here. 2 subtract by 1 equal 1. 1 product by 3 power x equivalent to, and here 3 power negative x plus 3 or 1. We have coefficient here 1. 1 plus 2 equal 3. And we have 3 product by 3 power negative x. You can simply try 3 power x equivalent to 3 power. We have the same basis. You can collect powers. The result will be 1 minus x. Two bases are equivalent in the power x equivalent to the same. Then x equivalent 1 minus x. You can move here to find the answer of x. X plus x equal 2x. Then 2x equivalent to 1. Then the value of x, it will be 1 over 2. It's the value of x. So you can write here half. To find the answer again, you can use distributive properties here about product. But first, you can use these properties about the product of extremes equal product of means. And then simple is the answer. Take the similar in same base like 2, 3, 2 product by 3 power x and 3 power x moved here from left hand side to right hand side. And also 3 power negative x plus moved here from negative going here positive and here from positive to negative here, and then collect the similar to find the value of x, which will be 1 over 2. Okay, it's easy. So if you have any question like this, you must use these properties: the productive streams equal productive means, and then simple is to find the answer.